Bonjour et bienvenue. You're watching a French for Beginners. I'm your native French teacher, Sophie, from Nice, in the south of France. Thanks for joining me again. Today, we're diving into something very important, numbers in French. But before we begin, let's quickly refresh a few polite expressions from Lesson 2. Repeat after me. S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. Repeat after me. S'il te plaît. S'il vous plaît. Merci beaucoup. De rien. Pardon. Je suis désolée. Excuse-moi. Excusez-moi. Navré. Mes excuses. Café. Eau. Bière. Puis-je avoir? Very good. Let's now start our lesson 3 with numbers or nombres. Numéro 1. Un. U and N sounds un. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. Written the same way as in English, letter X here sounds S. 6. 7. 7. Letter P is silent. 7. 8. 8. The letter H here is silent. 8. In French, letter H is always silent. 8. 9. 9. 10. 10. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. Number 11 to 16, we use the roots of number 1 to 6. 1, 11. 2, 12. 3, 13. 4, 14. 5, 15. 6, 16. As for number 17 and more, we use two numbers, number 10 and number 7. 17. 17. 18. 18. Here we need to link the first word and the second word together. 18. In French, when the first word ends with a consonant and the next word starts with a vowel, we link the words together. Here, the letter H is silent, which makes the letter U the first letter to sound. We then need to link them together. 18. 19. 19. 20. 20. As for 21, 21. 21. Supposedly, we should link 20 and un together. 21. Doesn't sound good. We then need to add et, which means and. 21. 20 and 1. As for 22, we don't need to link them together. 22. 22. 23. 23. 24. 24. 25. 25. 26. 26. 27. 27. 28. 28. 29. 29. 40. Let's see all the dozens. It works the same as 20. Number 30. 30. 30. 31. 31. 31. 32. 32. 40. 40. 40. 41. 41. 42. 42. 50. 50. 50. 51. 51. 52. 52. 60. 60. 60. 61. 61. 62. 62. 70. For number 70, we actually use number 60 and add 10, as for 60 plus 10. 70. 70. 71. We are using the dozens here. 11, 12, 13, 71, 72, 72. Number 80. For number 80, we use number 4, 4, and 20, 20. Because 4 times 20, 80. 81. 81. 81. 82. 82. Number 90 works the same as 70. We use 80 and add 10. 90. 90. After this comes 11. 91. 91. 92. 92. Very good. 100. 100. 100. ENN sounds A. So. If you do want to review, please feel free to return to the beginning and practice again. Otherwise, you've done such a great job today. Very good. Bravo. Congratulations.